Basically, my experience with art has been more productive and supportive of my understanding what super is, how to use it, than any of the experience that I've had up till now. My name's Jo. I am retired. I am currently actually living my dream retirement. I was a pharmacist for 30 plus years. It enabled me to move around quite easily and always be secure in the possibility that there was always work. I even travelled with that to the UK, where I ended up meeting my husband, getting married and staying there for 10 years. Pharmacies also open extended hours. So I worked afternoons and evenings and he worked during the day, and we swapped care for the kids. I arrived back in Australia in my mid-30s and had no super setup. It wasn't a priority. So I was quite aware that I was behind the 8 ball, if you like, in terms of creating wealth through super. The boys were young, 4 and 2. Did arrive back with a diagnosis of a potentially long-term chronic health condition. The implications for that in the insurance policies with the super fund made a difference to which super fund that I went with. It's only in the last couple of years that I felt motivated to make sure that I was doing the right thing with my super. I love the app. I love being able to track how well things are doing, how easy it is to change from the type of funds that you're investing in. Currently, my philosophy is that I have worked hard. I can enjoy the current moment without fear of the future.